Hi Matilda. What do you have for lunch today?
Hi Teacher Sarah. I have an hamburger. It's very tasty.
Oh yes. That's very tasty, but it's not so healthy. Do you want a sandwich?
Oh no. I don't like sandwich.
Do you want some fruit?
No. I don't like fruit. But I like meat. Do you like meat?
No. I don't like meat. Oh. And do you like orange juice?
Oh yes. I like orange juice.
Oh. That's good. And what about milk? Do you like milk?
Oh no. I don't like milk. But I like cakes. Do you like cakes?
Oh yes. I love cakes.
And do you like candies, Teacher Sarah?
Oh no. They are not healthy, Matilda. You should eat some vegetables.
Vegetables? But I don't like vegetables. Teacher Sarah, you have no food now. Do you want some candies? So, what about you? Do you like food? Can you talk about food in English? I can help you. Just look and repeat after me. Cheese, bread, chicken, fruit, cake, vegetables, milk, salad, orange juice, apple, ice cream, chocolate, rice, sandwich, meat. So, can you speak about food in English now? I think yes. Are you hungry? I am very hungry. And now it's time for lunch. Good appetite.